Hey everybody, I'm Dane Isaac. My Instagram handle is dane.isaac. I'm here today with the C1 Plus from ProFoto, gifted to me by ProFoto and Adorama. And today I'm going to be shooting with my friend Joyce in Washington Square Park. Let's see how this bad boy performs today. Today I have both the C1 and the C1 Plus, and let's go through the main differences between them. We have the C1, which has a fixed dome and doesn't have any control buttons, so you can only control this through your smartphone on the app. And then you have the C1 Plus, which has all the controls and detachable modifiers, so you can always swap modifiers. If you have the ProFoto transmitter, you can use this with your cameras, your professional cameras to be exact, just not only through the app. At full power, we have 40 minutes of continuous light and 2,000 flashes. So today I'm actually going to be using the C1 Plus because I'm very interested in different modifiers, and let's see how it performs. Just so you know, you can charge this as USB-C and you can mount this on any rig with a quarter 20. Perfect. One more. So there's a few different features you can access through the app. I'm going to switch now from strobe to continuous light, take a few portraits. Just test that out. But we also have the continuous and strobe, which is really good. So it acts like a model light to your strobe. Oh, that's good. So in the continuous, we have the option to change the temperature of the light. So now I'm actually going to go a little warmer. And we also have control over how bright you want to make the light through the app too. On flash, you also have the option to control the temperature and the power of the light. So now I'm going to shoot as warm as possible, and I'm going to make it as dramatic as possible to take a few shots. So now I'm also going to switch over to the continuous and strobe option. This way it acts like a modeling lamp for my photos, so I actually get to see the light on her face before I take the shot. So now guys, I have changed the modifier, so now I have the grid to narrow my light. I'm now in portrait mode, shooting some more intimate portraits, and I'm also switched over to manual. So I have changed the exposure, put it up as much as possible, and dropped the ambient light down, so we have a nice kiss of light, as you can see here in this example, versus having the entire space filled. The result I'm getting now with this setup, before yesterday, I didn't think I could get it without my professional setup and my camera, but it's actually insane. The entire time I was struggling trying to press the button, but my favorite feature on this entire light now, just found out, is you can trigger all the photos through the power button. So now I don't have to struggle as much. I don't want to sound corny, but blown away by the quality of these photos. And I'm actually going to post a few on my Instagram feed, which I never really do. I usually use my Sony camera, which I also could use this with. I am thoroughly surprised by the quality of the images. The ergonomics of this is actually very simple to use. I mentioned before, my favorite feature is that trigger button from the top, the power button. Just so you know, at release, it's only going to be available for iPhones, and the compatibility is at iPhone 7 and better. So there's actually one thing I didn't try with the app yet, and it's actually going straight into selfie mode and taking some selfies. So I'm gonna bring Joyce back in, and we're gonna take some selfies.